Caden, and we are coming back. This is going to be a tutorial for how to make a firework. I already practiced with fireworks and that. So we'll make a world called Fireworks Tutorial. To show this off, kind of. I'm going to be in creative mode so that I don't have to harvest the resources and everything can go quicker. I'm honestly thinking that you guys might be wondering why I didn't set up a world previously, but I'm going to just fix that. Oh, there we go. I spawned slightly inside a block and slightly not inside of it, so that glitch always happens whenever I do that. I kind of feel like reporting that glitch to Notch. Well, not Notch anymore. It's now Jeb, but well, yeah. So let's get started. To make a firework ball, well, I am going to switch to my resource Minecraft wiki, so you'll just see my screen for a little while. To make a firework ball, you need to have, to make a firework star, I'm going to show you it with burst, which is this, no, small ball is the simplest, but you can change it up. I'm going to have 5 of them, not 3 of them, so that I can show you stuff you can do. So yeah. What you're gonna need is, I'm gonna take 3 gunpowder, because I'm gonna make 3, and you can use it with any kind of dye. If you look at Minecraft Info, which is the site I'm getting my information off of, wait, I said I was gonna have 5, but it shows an animation showing it going through every single dye. You can even use cocoa beans. I'm going to show you with the 5 non-traditional dyes and 1 of the traditional dyes to show you that it works with both types. So the 4 non-traditional dyes, and then the traditional dye. So let's get started. Also, you can add diamond or glowstone when you're crafting it to add either a trail or a shimmer. I would have thought it the opposite, but whatever. I'm kind of thinking whatever. So this is pretty much what we're going to need. We're also going to need a crafting table. I am really honestly sorry if you guys are a little bit annoyed that I didn't have a pre-set up world. But I hope you guys are okay with that. This cocoa beans one. See, cocoa beans relates to brown. Lapis lazuli will give you blue. Bone meal will give you white, and ink sac will give you black. This is cyan, it'll give you cyan. And I'll give the cocoa beans one the shimmer effect. Oh, yeah, the trail effect. So next we'll take our lapis lazuli and give our lapis lazuli the twinkle effect. I guess it's called twinkle, not shimmer. And take white, black, and cyan. So that's the firework star, which is the main kind of key component in a firework rocket, which is crafted using one piece of paper. Well, per firework rocket, there is one piece of paper, not a book, but a piece of paper, a firework star, any kind of firework star, and 1 to 3 gunpowder. So I'm gonna get 5 paper, and they're all, depending on how many gunpowder you put, it puts a different length. I believe it is in either ticks or 2 ticks or in seconds. So that said, all of these are going to be I'm honestly having trouble saying this, but one length items. So, one length rockets. So we're gonna need 1 piece of paper, 1 piece of gunpowder, and a fireworks star for each of these. So I have 5 paper, 1 for each, 5 gunpowder, 1 for each. And so, whoops. I'm gonna put the paper here, the gunpowder here. That'll make it standard firework rocket, but these don't do anything. You have to put a firework star for them to do anything and explode. Firework rockets, yes, you can just use them as, well, for fun, but that's kind of a waste of paper and gunpowder. I am in creative mode, so I can fire these off. Notice how it doesn't say any of the specific details. You have to go into your inventory to see the special details. So I'm just going to set these off. That is what a small ball firework looks like. A creeper looks like a creeper. A star is a star from almost every possible direction. A large ball is a larger sphere. I honestly... Oh! That sound is the twinkle, I believe. The twinkle effect is that sound. That's because... And I just realized this. Let's launch it inside of the tree. They get blocked by surfaces, so you can have a little on the ground show. Whee! And it's like this, the tree is magical, kind of. But let's see the trail effect. Ah, that looks really beautiful. They fly out and leave a trail behind them. We can, if we put some kind of mechanism where they'll all fire at once, we can see the differences. So, but I'm not going to do that because I'm going to keep this video short. If you like this video, please leave a like, maybe even subscribe. And I hope you guys will be able to make some use of my tutorial here. Thank you, and goodbye.